The tainted ADGP Ravindranath has encountered hurdles ever since he was accused in the coffee shop case. Take a look at what happened today at the CID office.
The KSRP's former ADGP Ravindranath arrived at the CID office for another round of investigations. But none of the officers he was looking for were present. The angry ADGP lashed out at the CID that they were making a mockery of him by summoning him for interrogation and not being present during office hours.
ನಾನೀಗ ನನಗೆ COD ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು DG CID ಚೇಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ADG CID ಚೇಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. DIG ಸೌಮೇಂದ್ರ ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ರಜೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು COD ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಕಚೇರಿ ಶುರುವಾಗಬೇಕು. ನಾನು 10:15ಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ.
The CID has been entrusted with the responsibility of 2 cases involving the ADGP. One of a girl alleging that the officer clicked obscene photographs of her at a coffee shop on Cunningham Road on May 26. The other relates to the ADGP's allegations against the Bengaluru Police Commissioner, Raghavendra Auratkar, stating that the whole incident was a conspiracy to malign him. Ravindranath also alleges that the reason why his complaint against Auratkar was more widely mentioned in the media was because the CID officers had not focused enough on the actual incident in the coffee shop. Some might say that this was because the ADGP himself only talks about Auratkar every time he speaks to the media. He went on to accuse AM Prasad of categorizing him based on his caste.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ DG ಅವರು ನಾನು ಕರೆದರು. ಅವ್ರ ಚೇಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಭೇಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಮಯಿಸಿ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು AM ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರನ್ನು, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ DG ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಯಾಕೆ CM ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಅದರ ಥರ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದೀವಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯಾರು ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ದಲಿತ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ರಿ ನೀವು ದಲಿತರಲ್ವೇ, ನೀವು ದಲಿತರು ಅಸ್ಪೃಶ್ಯರಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ದಲಿತ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇ ಸಾಕ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ DG ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್.
The ADGP is definitely not shying away from making serious allegations against prominent officers, but the fact remains that the investigating officers at CID recovered photographs of the victim on his phone. How credible are the tainted ADGP's allegations is a question currently doing the rounds. Vishnu Prasad, News 9, Bengaluru.
Well, the Apex Court had passed a verdict regarding the medium of instruction in private unaided schools a fortnight ago, and now these schools are using the verdict to their benefit. Supreme Court's verdict giving students the freedom of choosing the medium of instruction had attracted the disapproval of many cultural fanatics. They argued that Kannada would slowly die if kids have the option to opt out of it. A review petition was filed by the government to look into the matter, but the schools refused to give up. In order to tackle the review petition, several unaided Kannada medium schools have asked to be registered as English medium schools. It was observed that there were several schools in Bangalore and the state which are Kannada medium on record but are known to use English as the medium of instruction. As these schools are now using Supreme Court's verdict to switch their sides. The Karnataka Unaided Schools Management Association, or KUSMA as it is commonly known, has called for a meeting on June 11 to decide the future course of action. Amrita Patil, News 9, Bengaluru. Youth entertainers in Bollywood have become quite a rage, and the latest to join the list is the movie Fugly. The fun and quirky team of 4 seem quite promising, and my colleague Nabila caught up close and personal with the bunch. Ye Fugly kya hai? You listen in.
Bollywood's newest offering, Fugly, is all raring and gearing to come and captivate the youth audience in India. And I have with me the star cast right here. Fugly, hi you guys.
Hi. How are you?
Hello. What a pleasure.
I'm not a part of the cast.
You're the director, but you know you're a star. I've watched you from all through my younger days, and you're a star.
Don't say that, because it suddenly makes me feel as if I'm like geriatric.
But you played as a child actor when I was a child, so we're probably the same age.
I won't tell you my exact age when I played that child.
All right, so Fugly, quite an interesting name, and it intrigued me so much that I looked up into the dictionary, and then the meaning of it was ugly, unattractive, but what I see here is anything but that. Quite a pretty and a handsome sight.
Thank God for that. Oh yeah, it has nothing to do with looks or physical appeal or any of that. Fugly, the F in Fugly stands for Fight the Ugly. But of course, we've got a star so everyone can make their own interpretation of it. So we've got people who've said fantastically ugly and full-on ugly and friendship, fun ugly. So it's a film of friendship. It's young, it's light-hearted. At the same time, there's an important social message, and so that's what we're fighting, and that's Fight Ugly.
ये फगली फगली क्या है ये फगली फगली क्या है ये फगली फगली क्या है ये फगली फगली
Kabir Sadanand, Fugly. Why Fugly?
The whole idea was to talk about what people really want to say. If you go to the lyrics of our song, which is there, and it says, "Papa के पैसों पे कूदना, सड़क के कोने पे मूतना, 377 का होना, या जेसिका लाल की घटना, लौंडे के मुंह से आउच, या हर दफ्तर में काउच, लिखना लाल किले पे love you, अबे फिर से लिखेगा तो." So the whole idea is to, and it is the line that follows with it, हम सारी बातें जाने, फिर भी अनबने अनजाने. Means we know all this and we want to, we always cribbing about it, but we don't want to do about it.
ये है गौरव, बड़े दिल वाला, ऊपर से बॉक्सर. इसको ना मंत्री की सीट विरासत में मिली है.
अमेरिका का झंडा तो देख के जाओ, क्या करोगे उसका?
सर चड्डी बनवाऊंगा इसकी, ऑल अमेरिकन मेड इंडियन चड्डी.
Olympics bronze medalist Vijender Singh. How is it working with Vijender? Let's ask you, Mohit. First of all, is it easier because you have a family lineage of movies, star family?
No, I actually spent about 2.5 years auditioning, trying to, go and win that role on my own. And when I got Fugly, I was the most, I was the most happy person in this world. And with Vijender, what happened was the first time I met him, I have seen him in this room because our director put us in a room that go do these workshops before you start. And I met him and I was like, yeah, boxer and all. And I've gone and met him and shook hands with him. And I was like this starstruck person that I've gone met Vijender. But he made it very easy for me.
We want to know from Kiara. Kiara, what a doll. What a pleasure to see you. Tell us more about your role.
All because of him. About my role, I play this character called Devi. She's someone who represents today's young, strong, independent girl. I think all of us have her inside us. We're just waiting to come out. She is someone who takes no nonsense from anyone. She knows how to get her way. She knows how to put people straight if they act smart with her. She stands up for her rights. And she's very righteous. So that's Devi. And he listens. Yeah, I'm one of the boys in the film.
She's actually, जो dialogue है ना, she's Diane with guts. She was like that to three of us on set.
ये है देवी, इसके लुक्स पर मत जाना. She's a Diane with guts.
दिल्ली की लड़की हूँ धक्के और रगड़ के बीच का फर्क जानती हूँ.
Okay, Fugly, the song, you have Salman Khan, you have Akshay Kumar. Wow, what a duo, dancing to your track in your movie. How does that really, add value to, or boost to the movie?
We've made this good film and now we want, the reach to go out there. We want more people to see it. So that's what these two stalwarts have done a song for our film. It's just expanded our reach.
Costumes in the movie, anything?
We had professionals working for us, so we didn't concentrate too much. We were only listening to our director and following what he said, and then trying to make the character our own. And
our director's a one-man army. He has done our costumes also. He's done everything. He supervises everything. So he actually customized everything for each of us, so that I think once you wear your costumes, you're always like in character. So we owe it all to him.
He's like Duracell battery, Charge खत्म ही नहीं होता है. Doing everything full on.
Kabir, I think you're the battery to all of their energy.
I think I live off them. And while summing up this whole thing, I must tell you, we're really happy to be in Bangalore, really happy to be with you. And we want to tell all the guys in Bangalore, guys, it's time to go have fun, be the guys who get to fight ugly.
Let's hear it from the star cast.
Go and watch the film on 13 June. Go and watch Fugly on 13 June, please.
Thank you so much for all that energy there. Ooh, the star cast of Fugly. A lot of very promising star cast, a lot of fun, a lot of energy. You saw all the action here. I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss the one on the big screen with camera person Balaji and Guru Charan. This is Nabila for News 9.